In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp AI review and demo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the AI, give it a clear prompt, and see it generate a useful content calendar you can refine on the spot. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and look for the Ask AI option. You'll typically find it in the editor or task toolbar, and it may also appear in the sidebar depending on your view. Clicking Ask AI brings up the AI panel. If you're inside a document or a task description when you open it, the AI can use that context to tailor its response, which often saves time and reduces back and forth. Next, select Tell AI what to do next. This is your main command box, the place where you describe what you want. Think of it like briefing a smart assistant. The clearer your request, the better the output. A quick tip here is to include the goal, the audience, and any constraints you care about, such as dates, tone, or channels. Even a single sentence can work, but a little specificity goes a long way. Now try typing, make me a content calendar. To get stronger results, add details like the time frame, posting frequency, and platforms. For example, you could say, make me a content calendar for next month, 3 posts a week for blog and LinkedIn, aimed at small business owners with a helpful expert tone. You can also mention themes, product launches, or important dates you want to include. If you already have brand guidelines or a brief in the doc or task, the AI may reference that to keep everything aligned. After you submit your request, the AI will generate a structured plan. You'll typically see a week-by-week or day-by-day calendar with topics, suggested formats, and sometimes captions or calls to action. This is where the real value kicks in. You can immediately refine the output in the same panel. Ask it to adjust the cadence, change the tone, add SEO keywords, or tailor ideas to a specific audience segment. If something's missing, request more variation or a different format like a table. And remember, you're in control. Review the suggestions, verify facts, and customize anything before using it in your workflow. That's the simple loop. Open Ask AI, tell it what to do, provide a clear prompt like make me a content calendar, and let the AI build a first draft you can polish. With a few precise edits, you'll have a practical, ready-to-implement plan in minutes. Thanks for watching and happy planning with ClickUp AI.